Hi, this is Dr. Graves with the CSUN Geography Department. This is a video tutorial designed to help students learn how to log in to ArcMap Pro or ArcGIS Pro using MyCSUNsoftware in fall semester 2022. Use a search window. You can use Google, you can use Chrome, you can use other things, but a Google search on a Chrome browser works best. MyCSUNsoftware is what you want to type in. The first hit on the list is what you want to click, MyCSUNsoftware. Click on Log In to MyCSUNsoftware, and then use your logon credentials however they may appear. Make sure you're using the combination of letters and numbers. Click Log On. Expect a duo push, of course. Do not update your password. Click No Thanks on that. Click on ArcGIS Pro. This download window may appear, or it may just show up elsewhere. Go ahead and click Save, and make sure you're saving it in like a download folder or somewhere where you can find it. In any case, it should show up on Chrome in the lower left corner. If you're using Microsoft Edge or another browser, it may show up in another location. The file has a .ica extension. It's an ICA file, and when you click it, it launches the Citrix application, the workspace app that you already should have installed, and that allows your local computer, your laptop, desktop, tablet, Mac, or Chromebook to operate a remote computer. You can think of it as existing in the basement of the library, and that computer is a PC. So click, and ArcGIS Pro software will launch. Note that there are other software available. Click Permit Use. You may want to say, don't ask me again for this site, but I don't think it remembers you. Here's where it gets tricky. Normally you would just click here on your ArcGIS organization's URL, but that causes the entire program to fail immediately. So instead you need to sign in using browser. You can click Yes. And here's what typically happens is that there's this blank old Internet Explorer window will launch, but nothing will happen. It will continue to not respond. So you can move it out of the way, kill it off. It just disappeared on its own this time, and you need to click Start Over. The second time that it launches, it tends to work. Click your ArcGIS organization's URL, type in CSUNGIS. You can try to remember this URL. Again, I don't know if in this circumstance whether anything is ever remembered. Click Continue. Click California State University Northridge. Log in once again using the same credentials that you used before. Expect another duo push. Click Yes, trust the browser, even though it doesn't seem to matter. Click Allow at the Internet Explorer pop-up window. At this point, if all has gone well, it has taken you 5 minutes, and ArcGIS Pro should launch. At this point, we should be in good shape, and all you need to do if you're in my 107 class is to click Open Another Project, Permit All Access. In the left-hand side of this window, scroll down until you see this PC, click it, and in the main window, scroll down until you see GeogShare H. Double-click on GeogShare H. Double-click on Geog 107 folder. Here you depart from the traditional instructions. Normally you would go straight to, say, Lab 1, but in this case you go to Pro, and Lab 1 is called Introduction here. So double-click on Introduction and double-click on Introduction APRX. That's the first assignment. This may take as much as a minute for the software to make the connection to the H drive and open the file. There's a datum warning in the upper hand corner. You can eliminate that. And at this point, you can begin following the instructions that are included in the lab itself. The logon sequence is complete. That ends this video.